Um, this is Caleb Meredith reading this stupid speech about gas heaters. Okay. From our blood to our homes, heat has played an essential part in our survival and our comfort. While our Neanderthal brethren may have warmed themselves by a fire, today the majority of us use gas heaters. Gas heaters and gas heating technology are used all across the globe. The invention of the gas heater truly changed the way that we keep warm. It wasn't always so widely accepted, however. The first gas-powered heating element, called the thermal lamp, was developed by a Frenchman named Philippe Le Bon in 1799. It wasn't widely adopted because of the foul odors it emitted, and it unfortunately dogged the development of the modern-day gas heater by quite a few years. Over the next century, various designs were submitted, and slowly the design of the modern gas heater took shape. In 1965, due in part to the success of the convector fire, gas-powered heating was adopted as standard for homes across the world. According to a chapter in Auto HVAC Fundamentals, the design of the modern gas heater can be attributed to the invention of fire clay radiants in 1925. Fire clay radiants provided a new material that wouldn't burn or pollute the air. It is said that these shaped the way our heaters look and operate today. But how do modern gas heaters actually work? Well, according to the owner's manual of a standard upflow high-efficiency gas furnace, gas heaters rely on mainly two elements: air circulation and the burner. Most gas furnaces have two or more burners controlled by a thermostat. When the temperature in the house falls below a certain point, the gas flow is triggered and is lighted by an electronic ignition system. The hot combusted gas rises up a heat exchanger and when the temperature in the house falls below a certain point, the gas flow is triggered and is lighted by an electronic ignition system. The hot combusted gas rises up a heat exchanger and is expelled to the outside of the house through the vent pipe. A motor in the furnace pulls air in from the gas exchange, and the heat from the combusted gas warms the air as it's distributed through vents around the home. But perhaps the most important element of a gas heater, or any gas technology, is the gas that powers it. The Gas Museum in Leicester tells us that in 1802, a German by the name of Friedrich Winzer invented the idea of a gas network that could distribute gas to a large number of people from centralized gas works, the first of which were placed in Pall Mall, London in 1807. Ever since, the gas industry has thrived. Although humble at first, gas distribution has left its mark, with over 3,000 miles of high-pressure gas pipes running beneath our feet here in the United States. Getting where we are today, with our comfortably heated homes, was clearly no easy feat. Inventors and innovators had to overcome many obstacles, such as fluctuating markets, decreased demand, and technological limitations. But despite these hardships, the gas industry has thrived into a multi-billion-dollar industry. All across our country and all across the world, people use gas to heat themselves, their loved ones, and the homes that they live in. It has proven to be a pinnacle step in human innovation, and perhaps even a stepping stone for greater things to come. What will be the next development in gas heating technology? Well, the answer to that is only limited by our imagination. Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. I'll tell you what. I picked this topic because, I don't know, I wanted to do something a little bit obscure, and so I just went to Wikipedia and I hit random article, and this was the first thing that came up. And it seemed, that's good enough. Yeah. I'll write a speech about gas heaters. Sure, why not? And you know what I did? And I just did. And I think it turned out quite well. So, I'm not bragging or anything. But I think it's alright. Anyway. So yeah, that was me enthusiastically reading out a speech about gas heaters at 12:41 a.m. Yep. I hope you enjoyed that, I guess. No one's gonna listen to this, are they? No, of course not. Okay. Um, well, thank you again for listening. I'm very sorry. Goodbye.